Have you ever wondered what a professional does all day? Today, you're coming with us to see what a real plumber does on a real job, real customer, and solutions. Follow our plumbing team on a typical workday.
You'll see residential plumbing repairs, commercial service calls, drain cleaning, leak detection, pipe repairs, emergency response before and after results. Throughout the video, we'll explain what caused each problem and how homeowners and business owners can avoid similar situations. About Nadi Plumbing. Every day, we help families and businesses throughout Charlotte solve plumbing problems quickly, professionally, and honestly.